Today we're talking about the best work from home customer service jobs in 2024 that require no phones. Yep, no more juggling calls while managing life. These roles let you work quietly and efficiently. So grab your coffee, get cozy, and let's get started. So first up, we have a live chat support specialist. Now this role is perfect for anyone who still wants to help customers, but they actually prefer typing over talking. And as a live chat support specialist, what you'll be doing is handling like inquiries and issues from customers, but it's all through a chat platform or different chat platforms. And what's awesome about this is you get to keep your environment quiet and stress-free. You'll often work with companies in e-commerce or tech who need quick written responses for their customers. The pay typically ranges from about $15 to $25 an hour. But this depends on your experience in the company, of course. Some even offer part-time roles, which is great if you're looking for flexibility. All right, so next up we have an email support representative. Now this role is very similar to the live chat agent or live chat support, but it allows for more of a slower response time. And what you're doing is you're working with customers to handle their inquiries or troubleshoot issues all via email. These positions often pay between $16 and $22 per hour, and they can be either part-time or full-time. Companies like Shopify, Wayfair, and even some of the smaller startups frequently hire for these roles. And here's a pro tip. Make sure to emphasize your problem-solving skills and your ability to handle multiple email conversations simultaneously. This is really important. They want you to have a strong understanding of the product or service you're supporting. That is very, very crucial. Are you a social media lover? If so, this job is for you, social media customer service representative. Now, more and more companies are managing customer support through platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, X, right? And as a social media rep, you'll be monitoring and responding to customer queries and comments. Now, this is a really fun and dynamic job, and it pays around $18 to $30 per hour. That is depending on the brand though. But it is ideal for anyone who's comfortable navigating social media platforms and responding quickly to messages or comments. Now, here's a quick tip. If you want to stand out, mention any social media experience you have, even if it's personal. Being familiar with social trends and brand voice consistency will really help you land this gig. Now, coming in at number 4 is the ticket support agent role. Now, this one is a little bit more technical, but it's like the others in terms of responding to customer issues. The only difference is it's through an online ticketing platform, something like a Zendesk or a Freshdesk. And in this role, what you'll be doing is handling complaints and or inquiries or issues in a more detailed step-by-step manner. So a lot of tech companies or SaaS platforms go to this method for customer service. Now, you can expect to make about $17 to about $28 per hour, and a lot of these jobs often come with benefits. So having experience with customer service software or even a CRM tool or databases is a huge plus here. So if you don't have that, don't worry, because there are plenty of free tutorials and courses online that can help speed up that process for you. Last but not least, we have the community moderator agent. Now, if you enjoy engaging with people on an online platform and kind of maintaining positive relationships, this job may be your match. So an online community moderator, they are responsible for managing and maintaining different forums or groups of different people, and basically just making sure that everyone follows the rules and that they are engaging. There you have it, folks. 5 amazing jobs, no phone, work from home customer service jobs for 2024. Now, these are perfect for anyone who's looking for any flexibility and who want to make income without the hassle of being on the phone. So whether it's the email option, chat option, or even the social media and community moderator option, there's something out there for you. Which job caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that button if you found this video helpful. And subscribe for more tips on how to hustle at home while keeping your family lifestyle intact. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you next time on Full House, Full Hustle. Keep hustling and stay blessed.